Airport sa Easy Tax Refund and so inipon namin lahat ng receipts sa mga tax-free stores and yun ini-input na niya. So yung resibo may code siya. So pag bibili ka dito sa Olive Young ganun mo lang. So not all receipts will be allowed. May mga certain stores lang na pwede siya. So makikita mo dito yung purchase serial number and probable refund amount niya, which is awesome. So
Art box is madaya.
yung art box medyo hindi namin na ano. Pero yung Olivia Young,
Lahat ng art box wala.
pero yung Olive Young, hindi kami nagka-problema. No? Pero at least meron tayong automatic mo kaya marireceive yung cash mo dyan or papasok sa card mo ulit. Card lang, no? So, malalaman namin yan. Kasi this
So
is...
unfair,
So, the last time di nyo to ginawa?
Ginawa namin, pero this time, ang daya ni art box.
This time ngayon, mas marami kang...
Ay! Bakit si
Yan.
art box ayaw? Oh? Refund not available for art box.
Baka discounted na nung time na yun.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Sorry, anak, can you get all of that?
Hey, I'm covering.
No, I'm not taking a video of the name. Sa baba lang. So, kailangan masipag kang ipunin lahat ng resibo mo. You should take all of your receipts. So, you can take a chance which ones will be refunded. Kasi, hindi lahat is so first kailangan i-scan mo dito yung passport
At
mo
dapat dala nila yung passport.
and dapat dala mo yung passport mo while you're doing the
Thingy.
the tax refund thing. Yan, so scan uli, papakita niya na dito
Available.
ito yung binili mo. And then, ito yung refund amount niya. So, ang laki actually ng refund amount niya. So, you guys should take advantage of this one. Ito sa Incheon. Ito yung nakakalimutan ng iba talaga na gawin. So, we're helping you out. So, after naming mag-bag check-in, ito na. So, is that all of it?
No, I'm checking.
Do you have more? Oh, can you give me can you take a photo of that photo and send it to me also? So makikita naman dito it has different languages. So ito yung stop only tax refund slip scan sabi dito. And customs validation is necessary. If siguro umabot na sa pag umabot na yata sa over 75,000 won na no. Kailangan ng i-validate ng customs yun. So, they have to check if binili mo ba talaga yun. Kasi, pwede naman na nag-pick ka lang ng mga resibo at hindi siya sa'yo. So, they will check that. So, it's very important to be honest when doing your
Don't you have alcohol?
cash refunds. So, what's the next step? Kapag umangat na daw siya sa 75,000 won, saka mo kailangan magpa-validate.
Bakit nawala?
Step 3, please scan your passport. Do not normal receipt scan. Lahat ba ng receipt? Tax validated lang yung pwede. Baka, ano yan?
Go to gate 28 na ako.
Gate 28 na for cash refund. So,
less than 75,000 won.
okay. So, how will you know na na-process na yun? So, read the passport as shown. Scan the passport if you agree, sabi. So, you need to scan first.
Okay,
Scan mo na? So, pupunta na kami doon sa what do you call that?
Scan your passport. Ito, ganito siya mag-scan.
Please scan your passport. You wait, Tilan, wag mo. I'm not taking a video of that, don't worry.
Ayan, nakascan na siya.
So, makikita na scan na namin yon and lahat. So, we just need to give...
10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Found them out.
15, 16, 17.
There's about 20,000 won din yung refund, mari-refund amount natin. So, sayang din yon, pang food din yon. And,
Wala, hindi na, ang unfair ng art box, hindi na.
pero yung mga ano namin sa Artbox,
Yung pa naman yung malaki kasi yung pop
hindi siya na-validate. Baka naman yun yung sinasabi nila sa isang store, di ba? Naalala mo yung sa COEX, baka doon naman pwede yung mga yon, di ba? Baka may certain, di ba? Baka si Artbox doon naman. Tapos dito, sa government, ano lang siguro, approved, di ba?
Hello.
So yung mga hindi maano, it's better to try. Kung marami kang binili sa Artbox, try mo muna sa malls if may tax refund machine sila. So okay na ba to? Naiiwan mo lang na ganyan? That's your data?
Ano, i-retry ko kaya yung Artbox na. Sige, i-retry ko lang.
Okay.